Hello all and welcome back to the Mug Life DIY. I am Julia and today I'm participating in the wonderful monthly Trash to Treasure, which is hosted by Casey with Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host this month is Measure and Mix. I will have both of those channels and the playlist linked down below. Today I am making trash using, which I always save, these pizza pan cardboard bottoms. I have been wanting to recreate something I have seen so many talented YouTubers create, and I have had this little metal basket, and honestly I think someone gave it to me for free. So this project is free for me. I'm just using everything I have around my house. Another really cool way to create this project using entirely trash would be a cardboard box, 2 pizza bottoms, and a whole lot of hot glue. And now we're going to paint the cardboard, which I, for some reason, didn't start recording the beginning step. So I always do a base coat, a white or off-white or gray, and then I go with my darkest color, which is black. Then I, on top, put a medium color, and then I kind of blend them all out, just stippling. I will have one of my maybe more step-by-step tutorials on how I galvanize metal. I just use 3 colors, doesn't matter what 3 colors, I just always use darkest, medium, and light. And to kind of get rid of my edge, and also I just love using twine and ribbon and rope and different things like that, I'm going to just use some leftover twine that I had around the entire edge of the cardboard pizza box. And I have highly recommended these little these little finger protectors in a lot of my videos. I picked them up at the Dollar Tree and I have so many of them, but I always tend to misplace them. But they are something that is so awesome. They're just little silicone sleeves. And I'm not sure if they're all one size or they're multiple sizes, but they are a great $1 investment that you should search for at your Dollar Trees. And something that I always have a lot of scrap of is burlap. Yes, my arm is covering half of it, me shoving it in there, but that is what I like to use instead of fluorofoam. Fluorofoam is not an easy on the environment product, so I don't personally purchase it. So if I need to stuff things, I use recycled materials that I can use over and over in different projects, and fabric and burlap is one that I love using. I'm just using a little bit of my green moss and just kind of stuffing it in there. And yes, I did get some on my project because it was still tacky. Yes, I'm so impatient. I am messy, impatient. I just kind of go with it. But I always love my projects because I made them. Am I the only one? No. Anyways, I just had some of my leftover greenery from my greenery craft stash and just kind of placed them in and out all throughout my little planter. Just kind of placed it how I thought it would look really nice, and I loved it. Now, most of my pieces are from Dollar Tree or from other projects that I've taken things off of. Like that small succulent is actually from the Dollar Tree triangle pieces. I just didn't like how small it was, but I thought it complemented really nice. And then that one taller green piece I actually got at Target Dollar Spot when it was like 50 or 60 or 70% off. And I picked up a couple of those greenery. I really liked them. And here's my final project piece. I love Trash to Treasures. They're definitely my favorite to do. And I love doing this monthly collab with Casey over at Coffee with My Sunshine. Be sure to check the playlist. I would love it if you guys would subscribe, comment below. Hey, you can even dislike. It's okay. No haters allowed. Thanks guys for watching, and I really hope that you will be inspired by all of these awesome trash to treasures.